Did you know that 75% of users never scroll past the first page of SEO results? Crazy, right? In the legal world, as you may know, SEO is the golden key to unlocking potential clients. Imagine your law firm appearing in the very top of the Google search. But how did you get there? Let's uncover those secrets. First of all, it's all about the keywords. Think of them as the breadcrumbs leading clients right to your door. Using long-tail keywords can attract the specific clients that you need. For example, instead of just targeting personal injury lawyer, consider phrases like best personal injury lawyer for car accidents in your city. These long tail keywords are less competitive and often have higher conversion rates because they reflect what users are specifically searching for. But wait, it gets better. Craft compelling content that speaks directly to your audience. Answer their burning legal questions and watch your engagement soar. This means not only creating informative blog posts, but also considering various formats such as FAQs, how-to guides, and case studies that showcase your expertise. Remember, people love stories. Share client success stories while maintaining confidentiality, or hypothetical scenarios that illustrate how your services can solve problems for your potential clients. Now, let's talk local SEO. This is your firm's ticket to tapping into your local community. Claim your Google My Business listing, make it sparkle with accurate information and client testimonials. But here's the twist. Did you know that 46% of Google searches have local intent? This means that many of your potential customers are looking for legal services near them. Ensure your address, phone number, and business hours are correct. Encouraging satisfied clients to leave reviews can significantly help your visibility. I mean, this is huge. Now, it's not just about content. Link building is crucial too. Good backlinks act like a vote of confidence. Aim for links from trusted legal directories and blogs. The more the merrier. And you can also reach out to local news outlets or community organizations to provide insights and commentary, which can lead to valuable backlinks. And collaborating with other professionals in related fields can also offer benefit. For instance, partnership with a financial advisor can lead to shared content that links back to each other's websites. Remember, your website needs to load faster than a speeding bullet. Google loves a swift site. It ensures visitors stick around. In fact, studies have shown that a delay of just 1 second in page load time can reduce satisfaction of the customers by 16%. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, and consider a content delivery network or a CDN to improve load times. Did you know that mobile friendliness is a ranking factor? Imagine losing clients because your site looks terrible on their smartphones. Check your site's mobile responsiveness and ensure that it provides a seamless experience across devices. Use responsive design techniques to ensure that your website looks good on various screen sizes and that it functions well everywhere. Speaking of visuals, let's not forget about video marketing. A well-optimized video can skyrocket your engagement rates. Show your expertise in a captivating way. Clients love seeing who they're hiring. You can create videos explaining legal concepts, walking potential clients through the process of hiring a lawyer, or even providing a virtual tour of your law firm. Videos can be shared on your website, social media, and platforms like YouTube, which is, of course, the world's second largest search engine. But what if you're just starting out? Building a legal blog can set you apart. Regular, insightful posts can improve your rankings and keep clients coming through your digital door. Consider topics that your potential clients frequently ask about and ensure that your posts are not only informative, but also infused with your unique voice and approach. And don't underestimate social media. It's the bridge connecting you to potential clients. Share your expertise and watch your influence grow. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and X to engage with your audience. Share articles, insights, and even snippets of your personal journey in the legal field. Join relevant groups or forums where potential clients may gather and offer valuable advice without overtly promoting your services. But that's not all. Understanding Google's mysterious algorithm is really important. Adopt your strategies as they change. SEO isn't static, it's dynamic. Stay on your toes. Google regularly updates its algorithm, so it's essential to keep abreast of these changes. Following SEO blogs, attending webinars, webinars and participating in forums can provide you with the latest insights and best practices in the industry. Keep monitoring your performance. Use analytics tools to track what works and what doesn't. Your SEO strategy is not a one-time job, it's a journey. Platforms like Google Analytics and Search Console offer invaluable data on how users interact with your site and which keywords drive traffic. Utilize this data to refine and optimize your content and strategies. Here's a startling fact. 82% of marketers actively invest in SEO. Are you missing out? If competitors are leveraging SEO effectively, you could be missing valuable opportunities for client acquisition. And here's the golden strategy. Combine organic strategies with paid advertising for maximum visibility. They're not foes, they're allies. Imagine having eyes on your firm from every angle. While organic strategies build a solid foundation, paid advertising can provide immediate visibility and traffic. Use Google Ads or social media advertising. Always remember, it's about creating value for clients. Make your content not just informative, but also engaging and relatable. Think about what your clients would genuinely find helpful and tailor your content to meet those needs. As you refine your strategies, ask yourself, what's the single most important factor in your SEO journey right now? Is it keywords? Is it helpful content? Is it user experience? Each aspect plays a crucial role, but understanding your audience and their needs is paramount. Want to dive deeper into achieving SEO success? Let's talk strategy. The digital landscape is constantly evolving. Get ahead of the competition with the right insights. Periodic reviews of your strategies and staying updated on industry trends will keep you competitive. Are you ready to transform your law firm? The opportunity is knocking. What are you waiting for? If not now, then when?